Welcome to Ford Tech Talk. In this series, we'll focus on tips to help you fix Ford and Lincoln vehicles right the first time. In this Tech Talk video, we'll answer the question, why is a complete AC repair required when the compressor fails due to lockup or internal failure, and the system needs flushing? The air conditioning system is a closed-loop system. Failure to replace key components when flushing is required can allow debris to circulate throughout the system. Debris in the system can damage the compressor and obstruct other parts, leading to expensive repeat repairs. There are times when only the compressor may need replacement, so a complete repair is not always required. These circumstances include when compressors are experiencing leaks, noise, or clutch failure. Per the compressor packaging label, when the root causes are lockup or internal failure, flushing is crucial. Certain components cannot be flushed, and the non-flushable components must be replaced. These non-flushable components include accumulators, receiver dryers, integrated receiver dryer condenser filters, and other non-flushable components including expansion valves and AC lines with integrated mufflers. Here's what you'll need to do to protect the vehicle air conditioning system and warranty. We'll start by replacing the compressor, the heart of the system. What type of compressor you need depends on the vehicle. Motorcraft offers two styles of compressors for internal combustion engines. There's piston type, which became popular due to their reduced machining complexity, and scroll type. Scroll-type compressors are an older technology, but changes in engine technology, especially electric vehicles, are bringing them back into use. Ford Motor Company recommends Motorcraft parts for repairs, since they're designed for a specific vehicle application to achieve optimum performance. The component designs are high quality, featuring the latest Ford engineering updates, and they must also pass Ford engineering-approved testing. Ford standards are important, because the materials and performance of non-vehicle specific parts can vary, potentially leading to component failure and an unnecessary repeat repair. And that can create a negative customer experience, leading to a loss of customer loyalty. The next air conditioning component we'll replace is the accumulator, or depending upon the vehicle application, the receiver dryer or the integrated receiver dryer filter. These Motorcraft components are designed to Ford original equipment standards for easy bolt-in installation and an efficient repair. And they're loaded with high-performance desiccants to capture and store excess moisture and debris in the system and prevent liquid from reaching the compressor. Next up is replacing the thermal expansion valve, also known as TXV. There are three types of valves, and all of them control and meter the liquid refrigerant. The most common type is the block valve. It's used on vehicles that have a receiver dryer. In vehicles with accumulators, the orifice tube-type valve is used, as is the copper coil type, seen in much older models. The final component that we'll replace to complete the repair is the AC lines with integrated mufflers. The mufflers on these AC lines help reduce noise coming from the system. Again, these cannot be flushed. When you need to replace AC lines due to flushing, Motorcraft lines are engineered per Ford OEM specification, and their vehicle-specific design allows for easy installation. Only Ford has the precise tolerances for our vehicles, and only Motorcraft part designs have access to them so we can incorporate that critical information into our component designs. Chemicals and lubricants are also very important to system integrity and the complete AC repair. They include compressor oil, solvent, and refrigerant. Remember, Ford Motor Company does not recommend flushing the air conditioning system as a regular maintenance item. Flushing is recommended when the compressor fails due to internal lockup or internal failure. Indicators of failure would be that it seizes or debris is found in the system. When you're choosing parts for all your repairs, remember that Motorcraft parts feature a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty. That's all for this post. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of our series of installation and repair tips for Ford or Lincoln vehicles. For more information on Ford or Motorcraft parts, contact your Ford or Lincoln dealer or distributor, or visit FordParts.com.